What's up guys, Alexis here with Smart Prop Trader, back at you with another Funded Trader Chat with Alexis. Today I am so excited to chat with Alessio and Michela all the way from Italy.
We are from Italy and we live now in Spain. My name is Akenau, and her name is Marama. I found it from 20 days, and we received the first payout, yes. The customer journey very beautiful. The assistance is perfect. In 2 or 3 hours, they come to the email. They answer the email. So yes, always okay.
Okay, so how did you get started in prop trading, and what drew you to this career path?
So we started 1 year ago with this career in trading. We do so hard, and when we knew about prop trading, say, okay, this is a beautiful way to do trade with other people money, On Google or internet, we found out about smart prop trading, and here we are.
How did you hear about Smart Prop Trader, and what has your experience been like with us so far?
On our email, I don't know in which way, but type of prop firm, yes, try. Yeah, I searched it on Google, on the internet, I saw the video on YouTube. It seems so good. Say, okay, try with smart prop trading, and it's good, yes.
Can you describe your trading strategy and approach, and how has it really evolved over time?
We use an approach like about cycle, okay? We use it's a strange cycle. It's not the normal cycle that it's common, like that you can find on internet or YouTube. No, it's a cycle that we discover with our coach, our mentor. So it's a Italian mentor that we follow and teach us a lot of strategies, a lot of mood, and we use that on Forex, index, yes, and metals.
Okay, how do you manage risk in your trading, and what steps do you take to minimize potential losses?
The risk is the most important thing in trading. It's all people focus on how much can I gain. No, you have to focus how much can I lose, because the only can you control is the risk. So if you want to be a good manager, now in the smart prop trading we have we have 2 types of risks. So the low risk and the medium risk, when we have a lot of pattern that it's okay. So now we are trading in 0.3% of the capital and 0.6% of the capital.
How do you stay up to date on market trends and news, and what resources do you rely on for market analysis?
I try to don't mind about news. Yes, every morning and every week I know there are the hot news, like the FOMC, like the every third Friday, the Friday, the non-farm payroll, the other stuff. I try to don't stay in the market, but of all of the other, the BCA when they speaks, the government, I try to don't stay in the market, but I try to don't put my money in that case, because I think the market on the graph there is everything.
How do you deal with the pressure and stress of trading, and what strategies do you use to stay focused and disciplined?
The strategy is the 20%. 80% is psychological, And I remember one day we live in Malaga, so one day so stressful. I go to the sea. I go to the water. Say, okay, I can relax myself. But usually we work in 2K. There is my wife and I. So she's looking for the best opportunity, and I decide the best opportunity. It's like a guy told me about the trader center in the bank. There are all the traders that are looking for opportunity, and there is the manager say, okay, this one, yeah, no, yes, no. So we are moving in this way. So she's looking for best trade of the day, of the week, of the month. Say, okay, this, and I say, this is yes, this is no. So we have a good balance from the family.
Can you share with me a recent successful trade you made and the factors that contributed to its success?
The first one is discipline. You have to stay focused and disciplined in what you are doing. The second is focus. Focus. Most people say, I want to be a trader, but at the same time, I want to be, I don't know, a manager, 100 of other stuffs. It's very difficult. So focus, discipline, focus. And I think we have found our balance, okay, between life and work. So we are doing that in family. So our secret is that we are doing that together in family. And so this is and I want to teach to my son to do the same that we are doing, because this is a beautiful job that it's amazing for life. There is no crisis, no nothing.
What are some of the biggest challenges you faced as a prop trader, and how have you overcome them?
The other thing is when I was at 0.3% from beginner, a founded trader, and that day I lost everything. And so it was like the mind say only psychological fact. It was 6 months or 7 months ago it's happened, and say, okay, but I don't know, maybe it's not my way. It was the art challenge.
How do you evaluate and select the assets or markets you trade, and what factors do you consider in your decision-making process?
The decision process, so it's so simple for us because we have some rules. There are that rules. There is no anything rules. We have that rules. So if all the rules are okay, so we start to trade. And the most important is psychological. We have a book of rules, with everything we have to do. Risk management, most important. You have this one, okay, you can do the same I do, no? Because we try to do the same pattern all the time, because it's statistic, no? The most difficult is to respect this. The difficult way is to respect what we have to do.
How do you track and measure your trading performance, and what metrics do you use to assess your success?
A successful trade, when all the rules are, when we respect our trading plan. If we respect our trading plan, is a successful trade. It's not important if the trade is in stop loss or take profit or break even. It's not important. The important is that we respect our trading plan. If we complete a week, a month with the complete respecting our trading plan, it's for sure a good month, a good week, a good day. Because I go to bed, say, okay, this is my job, the trading plan, perfect. I can dream well.
And lastly, what advice would you give to someone who is interested in pursuing a career in prop trading, and what skills or qualities do you think are most important for success in this field?
Do you have any advice for you? No, because everything really, everything's perfect.
Thank you so much for taking the time to chat with me, Alessio. So happy to have you on board with us here at Smart Prop Trader, and wish you continued success. Don't forget, we are still offering 50% off 10K challenge accounts until June 1st. Use code Discord10K to redeem. As always, be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Smart Prop Trader. See ya!